Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Kikoff's travel benefits. All right, it's going to be I'm going to give you 8 steps on this, so let's just get straight into it. So the first step is to review travel benefits eligibility. So you want to make sure that you review your Kikoff account to ensure that you have earned travel benefits and understand the eligibility requirements. And then the next step is to book travel with your Kikoff credit card. So you want to use Kikoff's credit card to book flights or hotels or rental cars to earn these travel benefits. The third step is to understand travel benefits policy details. So you want to make sure that you review your travel benefits policy details, including coverage amounts and eligibility requirements, as well as exclusions. Next up, you want to register for your trip. So when you register for your trip with Kikoff's travel benefits provider, to ensure that you are covered in case of trip cancellations or interruptions. Now, when you need to file a claim, that if necessary, you need to if you need to cancel or interrupt your trip, or file a claim with Kikoff's travel benefit provider, and you're gonna need to provide the required documentations to do that. So for contact travel assistance, if necessary, you're gonna need if you need travel assistance, just contact Kikoff's travel assistance team for help with flight cancellation, hotel reservations, or other travel related issues. And if you can submit receipts for travel related expenses to earn extra rewards or reimbursements, because that's possible with Kikoff. And I also want to make sure that you review your travel benefits usage and understand how to maximize your benefits for future trips. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Kikoff's travel benefits. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.